Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy. Voilà, j'ai ma grande tasse de café. Ce matin, nous sommes mardi matin, il fait très très froid. En Belgique, c'est l'automne. Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe là aux États-Unis avec les élections présidentielles? Il y a beaucoup de nouvelles ici en Belgique. Mais nous allons lire la suite de Tintin. We're going to read Tintin. Yes, remember, they heard some music. Tintin and the Maharaja were hearing some music. And so he says, Par Brahma, cette musique. By Brahma, this music. So they hear the music play. Personne, nobody. And remember, une personne is a person, but simply personne means nobody. Yes, I know it's a bit funny, but that's really how it is. So, nobody. Il n'y a plus personne. There is not anybody, and the plus means anymore. Not anybody anymore. C'est affreux. It's terrible. Comment vous dire? How to tell you? Mon père et mon frère sont devenus fous l'un et l'autre. My father and my brother have become crazy. Become crazy, have become mad, the one and the other. Or, chaque fois, juste avant que le malheur n'arrive, cette musique diabolique s'est fait entendre. Yes, the word or, it's a bit strange. It's like yet and yet. Each time, just before the misfortune, malheur, the misfortune arrives or comes or happens, this music, this diabolical music, literally it says, has made itself to hear. So I think we could translate that in English like this music was heard. Et cette fois, j'en suis sûre, c'est à moi que s'adresse le terrible avertissement. And this time, I am sure of it. The of it is the little word en. That it is to me that the terrible, an avertissement, it's not an advertisement, it means warning, that the terrible warning is addressed. So it's aimed or addressed to me. It's for me. And then Tintin, he's thinking, le rajaïja, le poison qui rend fou. You see, that's what he said before he really went crazy, he became crazy. So the poison who makes you crazy. Permettez-moi une question. Allow me a question. N'a-t-on jamais remarqué sur le bras ou le cou de votre père ou de votre frère la trace d'une piqûre? So, has one or have you never remarqué, noticed on the arm or the neck of your father or your brother the mark, la trace, the mark of a, well, une piqûre, it's like a puncture or like, yes, an injection. Jamais, non. Pourquoi? Never, no. Why? Votre père et votre frère s'étaient-ils attaqués au trafic des stupéfiants, de l'opium, par exemple? So did your father and your brother, had they attacked the stupéfiant, well, the drug traffic of opium, for example? Certainement, certainly. Moi-même, d'ailleurs, je continue la lutte. Me, myself, by the way, I continue the battle. Voyez-vous, la région où nous sommes produit du pavot dont on extrait l'opium. You see, the region where we are produces du pavot, that's poppies, from which they extract opium. And you see the on, it should be translated normally by one, but we can as soon translate it by we. So, or they, whatever, but it's like the general word. They extract opium. Or, en terrorisant la population, les trafiquants ont rendu la culture du pavot obligatoire. So, and yet, by terrorizing the population, the traffickers have made the culture of poppies compulsory, obligatoire compulsory. Ils achètent cette récolte, they buy this harvest, à vil prix, it's like at a vile price, but at a low price, at a bad price, et vendent très cher aux paysans le blé et le riz dont ces malheureux ont besoin. And they sell very expensive to the farmers the wheat and the rice, which these miserables need. And you see, in French, you will say they have the need. So really it says of which these miserable people have the need. Puisqu'ils ne les cultivent plus eux-mêmes, since they do not cultivate them anymore eux-mêmes themselves. Yes, because they are forced to cultivate poppies. C'est contre cette puissante organisation que nous avons entrepris de lutter. It is against this powerful organization that we have undertaken to fight. Lutter, to fight, or to have a battle. Bon, nous les tenons. Good. We have them, we hold them. Écoutez-moi bien, Altesse. Listen to me very well, Your Highness. Et la nuit venue, and when the night has come, tu vois, là-bas, c'est la fenêtre du milieu. You see, over there, it's the window from the middle, or of the middle, in the middle, you would say in English. So you see, he is going to climb with the rope. Corde magique, dresse-toi. Magical rope, lift yourself up, go up. You see, he's going to that window, and then you see he's blowing in this little pipe, and here we can say this, you can see this, the arrow here, you see? The arrow, whoa, dangerous. We're going to the next page. So we're on page 53. Ha ha ha, le voilà, fou allié, le dernier de nos Maharaja. Ah, there you have him, fou, mad, crazy. Ah, fou allié. It really says, well, crazy to be linked, to be tied up. But, well, we could say raving mad. The last of our Maharajas. Okay, so you see, he's coming, and then Tintin is waiting for him. Attention, il arrive. Watch out, he is coming. Tintin is waiting. Eh bien, well. Ah, ça! Où donc est-il passé? Oh, well, where has he gone? Where has he passed? Or, well, rather gone. Where has he gone? Serait-il dans l'arbre? Would he be in the tree? Ou dans l'arbre? Or in the tree, like literally in the tree. Oh, ça rend un son creux. Ah, that makes a empty sound, a hollow sound. Creux is really like hollow, a hollow sound. Le tout est de découvrir le mécanisme d'ouverture. Well, the whole thing is, or the important thing is, to discover the mechanism of the opening. Ça y est, there it is. Un puits, a pit. And then you see Tintin is going down the ladder. Étrange, strange. Où cela va-t-il me mener? Where is that going to lead me? Mener, to lead. Une porte, a door. Attention, un bruit de pas. Watch out, it's the sound of steps. Aha! You see? And Tintin is behind the door. We are now on page 54. Toc toc, he's knocking on the door. Sapristi, encore un autre. My God, again another one. Il n'y a pas à hésiter. There is not to be hesitated. He wants action. Oh! I think Tintin is going to put on his clothes. Oh, buff, whack, all the sounds of the battle. Et voilà, there it is. Toc, toc, toc. And you see, oh my God, there's a whole bunch of them. Frères, sauf notre chef qui ne pourra pas venir, nous sommes au complet. Oops, brothers, apart from our boss, who will not be able, that's the pourra, won't be able, it's from the verb pouvoir, won't be able to come, we are complete. We're all here. La séance peut donc commencer. The session, or let me start with donc, so the session can start. La parole est au frère de l'Ouest. The word is to the brother of the West. He's allowed to speak. D'abord, une grande nouvelle. First, a very big news. Nous sommes définitivement débarrassés du Maharaja de Rawajputala. We are définitivement, is permanently débarrassés. We got rid of the Maharaja of Rawajputala. À l'heure où je vous parle, il a perdu la raison. At the time, at the hour that I speak to you, so that means now, he has lost reason. He's become mad. He has lost reason. Plus rien ne s'oppose donc à ce que. So nothing anymore opposes to the fact that drin, drin, so there is a phone ringing. Allô? Oui, centrale. Hello, yes, central. Un message du Caire. A message from Cairo. Quoi? What? Un instant, restez à l'appareil. One moment, stay on the phone. Frères, la situation est grave. Brothers, the situation is serious. Very bad. Notre quartier général du Caire vient d'être découvert. Our general quarters of Cairo vient de, you call that a recent past. It's something that has just happened. So our general quarters of Cairo have been discovered. Seul notre chef a pu s'enfuir. Only our boss has been able to flee. Il arrive par avion. He's coming by plane. Allô? Comment? Hello, how? On vient de nous amener quoi? They have just brought what? Un de nos frères évanoui. One of our brothers fainted? Mais nous sommes pourtant 7. But we are anyhow, we are 7. Frères, il y a un traître parmi nous. Brothers, there is a traitor amongst us. Now you see, because now they know, because there's one they found. That was the one that Tintin knocked out. And so one of the people there is a traitor. Of course, it's Tintin. Puisque notre règlement nous interdit de nous montrer le visage découvert, vous allez me dire l'un après l'autre le mot de passe. Since our rules forbid us to montrer, show our face uncovered, our face uncovered, you are going to say one after another the mot de passe, the password. Celui qui ne pourra pas me le donner sera mis à mort immédiatement. The one who will not be able, pourra not be able to give it to me, will be put to death, will be executed immediately, immédiatement. So the first one is coming. Bon, au suivant. Good, next one. Ça va, le suivant. That's okay. The next one. Excusez-moi, mais je ne m'en souviens plus. Excuse me, but I don't remember anymore. Aha! That's maybe the one. Mon cher ami, je vais compter jusqu'à 3. My dear friend, I'm going to count until 3. Si à 3, vous ne m'avez pas dit le mot de passe, je vous abats. If at 3 you have not said the password, I kill you, I shoot you, je vous abats. Mais but I, 1, 2, 2, halte, stop. J'y suis, je m'en souviens. Here I am, I do remember. Kiosk and Rawaj Putala. So he remembers the 2 passwords, or the password. Espèce d'animal, vous ne pouviez pas le dire tout bas? Yeah, it's like piece of an animal, or species of an animal, but it's like, you idiot. You could not say it tout bas, very softly. Tout le monde le sait maintenant. Everybody knows it now. Allons, je vais me rendre dans la pièce voisine et l'un après l'autre, vous viendrez me dire le mot de passe de notre précédente réunion. Come on. I'm going to go, to go in the room voisine, neighboring room, the room next to it, and one after the other, you will come, future tense, to tell me the password of our preceding meeting, so the previous meeting. Au premier, the first one. Suivant, next one. Suivant, next one. And then the last one is coming. Au dernier, the last one. And we are also on the last page for today. You see the last one is coming in and whack, haha, that was Tintin. Pas mal travaillé. That's not bad work. Mais je dois avouer que j'ai eu de la chance d'être appelé le premier. But I must admit that I have had luck. J'ai eu de la chance. I was lucky, but in French you say I had luck to be called the first. Et maintenant, voyons le visage de tous ces cocos. And now, let's see the face of all those blokes, all those guys. Le fakir, en japonais, monsieur et madame Snowball, le colonel qui m'a condamné à mort, et le conseiller du Maharaja, c'est inouï. So the fakir, a Japanese, Mr. and Mrs. Snowball, the colonel who has condemned me to death, and the counselor of the Maharaja. That's incredible. And then, you see the fakir, he's waking up. Tintin, lui ici. Tintin, him, here. Mais s'il croit que des liens peuvent immobiliser un fakir diplômé, if he believes that the ties can immobilize, immobilize a fakir, a qualified fakir. Le fakir, il s'est enfui. The fakir, he has fled. Sapristi, il ne faut pas qu'il m'échappe. My God, he shouldn't, hein, il ne faut pas. It shouldn't be that he escapes me. Hein, he should not escape. Bang! Oh my God, the door against Tintin. Whoa, you see, he's seeing a lot of stars. Ah, le voilà à ma merci. Ah, there he is to my mercy. And this is the end of page 56. We have finished already. And I'm really happy because you guys, you continue reading with me. That really makes me happy. Gives me some energy in the morning. So finishing my coffee and then starting a work day. Well, I wish you a very, very nice Tuesday. And please let me know if there's any books you want to read, maybe Tintin's, maybe other books, and maybe the title. Maybe you have a suggestion for the title. I hope to see you next week. Bye.